Hi, I'm Yousif Abdulsaid and I am the florist from Nothingness. I work with flowers as more than just flowers, or at least I try to be. My practice with flowers is viewing them as more than just their presence and their existence. They're some sort of a portal to a different dimension, and that dimension is my subconscious, and how can I bring the subconscious to the conscious as I do this artwork. They've always been part of my life. My mom loves flowers and she loves gardening. I've worked with flowers before in my previous practice. And about 2 years ago, I wanted to really shut off my brain. And flowers is what drew me to this kind of practice. And it took a while to kind of adjust myself to it because I got used to showcase something, and it's always been something for myself. So to be in a space that was welcoming me and my practice, more than anything, the flowers, it doesn't happen often. I guess there's a space for us. So the things that you see here at my desk is kind of the floral study, I call it, which is a piece from each flower that I've worked with to kind of see in how many variation can it shows, how many color I can see before they start to deteriorate. So brought these with me from Kuwait because they're one of the main things I really wanted to work with. These are crystal or glass parts that they use for chandeliers. I like to work with objects and beyond of what they were created for, which is also in a way giving them a voice. The sense of community that I got and received ever since I got to the gallery and to the residency was very supportive, and I believe being one with this practice, being one with nature, being one with flower, it always felt for me one-sided, or at least two-sided, me and nature. So to have a third element and third party be involved in the practice and feel that support was wonderful. And I believe it allowed the space to flourish. This was fun. I had fun having you here. Maybe now we can go have lunch, please. This is yours.